Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are going to tackle the repair of the brush motor for the Conga 5290 vacuum cleaner. This process requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our guidance, you can make it happen. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and some cleaning supplies like compressed air and a microfiber cloth. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure your safety. Once it's unplugged, remove the screws from the cover of the brush motor using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to lose any screws, a small container can help keep them organized. After removing the screws, gently lift off the cover. You may encounter some dust and debris inside. Using the compressed air, blow out any particles that may have accumulated around the motor. This step is crucial as it prevents any obstruction and ensures optimal performance. Next, inspect the motor for any visible signs of wear or damage. Check the wiring for any frays. If you suspect any electrical issues, use the multimeter to test the connections. If you find that the motor is faulty, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the exact issue without any commitment from you. Once you've assessed the motor, it's time to clean the internal components. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the motor housing and the surrounding area. A clean environment helps in maintaining the efficiency of the vacuum. Now, let's focus on reassembling the unit. Before putting the cover back on, double-check that all connections are secure and that nothing is obstructing the motor. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of traveling and still get your vacuum repaired. After ensuring everything is in place, replace the cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. Once reassembled, plug in the vacuum cleaner and test the brush motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Conga 5290. If the motor still shows issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs involved up front. In conclusion, maintaining your Conga 5290 brush motor is essential for its longevity and performance. With the right tools and steps, you can do it yourself or rely on our expert services. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a convenient solution for your vacuum needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.